Conservative New Media viewers, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal. Hey, check it out. I'm at Lion Country Safari in Florida, and look at this super cute bird here. It's upside down. I mean, this thing was hanging from the top of the little netting there, and take a few steps, kind of, take a foot off, a claw off, whatever, look at me, turn around, and just keep kind of, moving its way across the netting. It's really interesting. Obviously, very agile and strong. I mean, look at the coloration. This bird's just moving around. It's so funny. This bird was hilarious, in my personal opinion. They're fun. You get to go into an enclosure there, and they'll fly up to you, and then you're just so close to them. And they're very, very talkative and, very social, in my personal opinion, and just great birds. But check this. I mean, I just thought this was the coolest thing, because this thing was just like, I hadn't seen that before. And then it's just, like I said, look at that right there. Would take a one of its claws off, little claw off, kind of spin around, look around, and kind of move around a little bit more. I think it's great. You can check out the rest of this video. Look at it, it's moving, it's doing some cool stuff there. Look, there you go. You really see it right there. Anyway, check out the rest of this video, and also I've got a lot of other animal videos, and we have an animal video playlist. You can check those out. We love the animals here, no question about it. Please rate this video up. Also, please post it to your social networking sites. Give me the comments below. Please subscribe above. I'm John D. Villarreal. You're watching Conservative New Media. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.